a team on you. Got the lifeline.
Downed an enemy.
I got her.
Alright, killed an enemy.
I'm down.
Getting shit. Anyway, alright, just relax. I got everything.
He's on the bottom floor. Got the bloodhound.
Enemy. Bamboozles for the fools. That was better in my mind. You got bamboozled. Reloading.
I hear someone in this
Hostile right
building.
here, right in front of me.
Let's get this guy in this building. Got him.
Alright, enemy down. Recharging shield. Get out there and bamboozle.
Just BM him.
Enemy killed.
New kill leader. Soon to be me.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Oh, he's up here.
Whoa, we got another squad here. Firing.
Got her. I got her.
Downed an enemy. Recharging shields.
Someone's here.
Killed an enemy.
Congratulations, kill leader. I like your style.
Bam! Bam. I guess I'm running out of ideas. Taking some damage.
I got him.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Frag out. Recharging my shields.
Attention.
First blood.
Aiming right at you.
Firing. Reloading. Whole squad's down. We made the right choices.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's not very close. One second, we got this.
Recharging my shields.
Opening fire. Recharging my shields. Throw my grenade out. The champion made a poor choice.
Appointed.
Opening fire. People have been through here. Look out, grenade. Need to recharge my shields.
Down.
I downed an enemy. Opening fire. That was the last one. Nice work.
Making contact
One
with enemy.
second. We got this. Patching myself up.
Recharging my shields.
Contact with target.
You're being aimed at.
Reloading.
Facing.
Taking shots. Picked up our teammate's banner. Got the whole squad.
Dude,
Here,
just go
on me,
here.
on me. There's a guy on me.
Oh shit!
His ass up, bro.
No,
Hey,
no,
jump
no,
out.
no,
I don't have a gun. I don't have a gun. I don't have a gun. I'm going in this building. Need a gun.
Dude, there's a guy down here.
Watch out, darlings. Body nearby.
Where?
It's a freaking bangy from before. Oh no, it's a freaking.
Oh, I'm using Mountain B, goof this. Hey, jump
You
this.
gotta go!
Beat
Fucking
his
door,
ass, bro.
bitch! You gotta open the door! Got her, got her.
Took him down.
BM
BM,
that
BM.
bitch.
Oh, nice. I can take her. No, mother. Hey, pick me up. Pick me up. Come pick me up.
Got you.
Chindu, throw traps.
Push
Chindu,
smoke,
throw
Chin-
traps. Throw
Throw
traps.
traps.
Throw traps. I need to pick up the armor.
I threw
Pick up the
traps.
armor.
Threw traps. Wait, let me throw a trap right there, Kevin. Ah, never mind. No more traps.
One guy's in the middle. Dude, my guns are so shit right now, man. Oh,
Bro, I have a f***ing R40, RE45, and a f***ing
behind us.
Oh my god.
Over here. Ah! Oh, fuck, go virgin.
They're right
What the
there.
My numbers aren't registering. I hit him twice and I didn't even fucking see any numbers.
Rush this mother, dude.
He's in here.
Oh, he's running away.
See you
He's in
a
here.
little bit.
Oh no, he's running.
Get
Yeah,
his
he's running.
ass.
I hear him. He's right here.
Spotted an enemy.
Come on, bitch. Where the f you going?
Hey, jump this bitch ass, bro.
Get his ass, Kyle. I
Oh
got
my
his
God.
ass.
Yeah, yeah, get bro.
Yeah.
Think
Oh,
that you were
you
gonna snipe us?
He only had a
Bitch.
sentinel.
I need a different gun, dude. My gun's so shit right now.
Ooh. Wing, Mastiff, and Eva 8. This is probably gonna be a bad idea.
In the middle?
I think they're in the other side.
Yeah, I think so.
I think they're on the other side. Yeah, there he is. Supply bin.
Oh, no,
Supply
no,
bin.
over here. Over here.
Nearby.
I'm throwing ulti.
Guys over here. Guys over here.
I got one.
Oh, in that direction. Oh, right there.
Oh, he's coming towards you. Behind you. Behind you.
Enemy downed.
Oh, this side. This side.
Ulti hit him.
Brilliant.
Dude, I need you. I need you.
Where the f are you?
Oh, he's almost there. He's. Oh, watch out. They are in the middle.
I got them all. I
Thank
got
you.
them all. I got them all. I got them all.
We're all inside. On your feet, darlings.
Nice. I did
Dude,
not-
that fucking Pathfinder does everything on me.
I saw that, dude. This Volt.
Oh, yes. I need that, bro.
Oh my,
Oh my
god.
god, no team, bro. Hey, back up.
Anyone need to pick me up?
I need heal.
Get out. Get out. Get out. I'll be with Kevin.
Are they coming out here? Wait, is that Kyle? Yeah, I think it's Kyle.
That's me, dude.
I need heal first. Let me heal first. And then we can contest.
Patching up. Care package incoming.
You like my loadout, Mastiff, and Eva 8? Oh, I see one. Supply
Oh,
bin.
over here.
Enemy there.
Respawn.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
Grenade deployed.
Come on, bitch.
Oh, he's coming through the middle. He's coming. He's coming over.
Got him.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Think you can f***ing crouch spam me, mo-
Charging.
Here. We gonna rush him. We gonna rush him.
Alright, let's
Dead.
go.
Ah, bitch. Oh my god, here. So she's so lit, dude. So lit.
No!
Yeah.
2v1
Good
that shit, boy.
dude.
You'll be alright.
They're in the other building. Other building.
See that? No mind.
Oh, they get hit
ulti's
by my
up.
gas.
Ulti's up.
They getting hit by my gas.
Ulti's up. You wanna go?
Let's go. Let's go.
Ulti's up. I'm gonna pin them down. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Oh, they got right my right.
Got one. They got the lifeline. He's right on the other side of the fence, Kevin.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, behind. Yeah, get bitch.
Oh shit. Oh, what the? Oh shit! The right is on top. Right on top. Right on top. Please, I need help.
I need heal. I need heal.
It's on the roof. She's almost cracked. Almost cracked. She has nowhere to go.
Oh, he's low. He jumped off.
Where?
Over here, about follow me, follow me, follow me.
I'm chasing.
Oh, I see her. I see her.
Get her bitch ass, dude.
Good
I don't give
shit,
shit, dude.
dude.
I killed the kill leader. Yes.
I'm shooting solar array. You can take the zip.
Oh shit! No, right here. People.
Shield here. Level 3.
Down there.
Whoa, you want me to snipe?
Oh,
with
you wanna
a-
go jump then? I'm throw
Yeah,
ulti. I'm throw ulti.
You want me to
I'll throw
snipe with
ulti.
a freaking mastiff?
Oh, they're so low.
I knocked him. Go. Oh, dude, they're full focusing me. Oh yeah, get that guy. He's low. Wait, the guy in the corner. That guy on the edge. Go on the other side.
We picked me up.
Yeah.
Shit.
That's my thermite.
I threw my arc star in there.
Oh, he's
Got him.
lit.
Got him. Oh, he has a stealth vest.
Oh, we got a win! That's 3 wins, go! Yeah!
Yeah, what up? I can't believe this actually worked.
Nobody even contested us, bro.
For real! And we got over
Yeah,
1,000.
8 kills, God. What the